Hey, curious cubs, welcome back to our amazing journey into the invisible living world. In the last episode, we learned that there are tiny living things around us, but we can't see them. But today, we are going to answer the big question. What exactly are these tiny living things? Microorganisms are of different types. For now, just remember these names: bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa. Don't worry, we will learn each one in detail in the next episodes. Now tell me, where do microorganisms live? Well, the answer is everywhere. Air, water, soil, food, even inside our body. Do you think microorganisms are on your phone right now? Now, here's an important question. Are microorganisms living or non-living? The answer is, they are living organisms, because they can grow, reproduce, and need food. So, if something grows and reproduces, is it living? Ready? Let's test your brain. 1. What does micro mean? 2. Can we see microorganisms without tools? 3. Which tool is used to see them? 4. Name any one microorganism. 5. Where are microorganisms found? Comment all your answers below. Let's see who is a real curious cub scientist. Ready for the next level? In the next episode we will learn about the types of microorganisms in detail, and trust me, some of them will shock you. Remember, shorts and reels go live at 5:05 p.m. and the full video drops at 7:02 p.m. Don't miss out. If you want to become smarter than your classmates and really understand science, stay connected with Curious Cub, like, share, and subscribe. See you in episode 3.